Chihuahua Salcedo. I am 26 years old. I study public account. I am from Albania, Dinamarca. I live in Facatativá, work in the woman. I like playing the soccer. I listen to music. My family is my goodbye. My mother, Dora Salcedo. She is 60 years old and is a housewife. To start, I likes to think. My father, Victor Chupatepa, he is tall works a farmer, likes to play when he is 55 years old. My son, Juan Jose Leon Chupatepa, is 5 years old. He is in first grade of the primary school. He likes mathematics. He lives on farm in the bigger Grabando, Dinamarca. I go to visit him. I love speaking. Sun in the water is very pleasant. Thank you.